In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your Mailchimp audience efficiently, ensuring that you retain an engaged and responsive email list. This is a crucial practice for anyone looking to maximize their email marketing efforts, as it can significantly affect your deliverability rates and overall engagement. First things first, let's navigate to Mailchimp's login page. It's straightforward. Head to Mailchimp's website and look for the login option. Once you've reached the login page, you'll need to enter your username or email address followed by your password. Make sure your credentials are entered correctly before hitting the login button. After successfully logging into your account, your first destination is the home page. From here, you want to direct your attention to the Audience tab. This is where all your subscriber magic happens. Clicking on this will bring you to a segment of Mailchimp that holds the key to managing your contacts effectively. Within the Audience section, select All Contacts. This will display your entire list of subscribers. Now here's where we start getting our hands dirty. Look for the option to Create New Segment. This tool is incredibly powerful for sorting and filtering your contacts based on specific criteria. Upon clicking Create New Segment, you'll find a variety of filters. For the purpose of cleaning your audience, we're going to focus on the Contact Rating filter. This unique rating system is Mailchimp's way of showing you how engaged each subscriber is based on their interactions with your emails. After selecting the Contact Rating filter, a drop-down menu appears. Here you want to highlight and then click on 2 stars. This specific action filters out your list, showing you subscribers who are less engaged with your content. These are the contacts we'll be focusing on for cleaning. Next, press Preview Segment to see a list of all the contacts that match our criteria of having a 2-star rating. Take a moment to review this segment. You might find that some of these subscribers have the potential to become more engaged with a little effort from your end. However, for contacts you deem permanently unengaged, select them individually from the list. After making your selections, it's time to make a crucial decision: archiving these contacts. By clicking Archive, you're not deleting these contacts completely. Instead, you're simply removing them from your active list. This keeps your audience cleaner and more engaged, ensuring that your emails go to individuals who genuinely want to see them. Now let's talk about the importance of what we've just done. Cleaning your audience improves campaign performance, ensures a high deliverability rate, and maintains a healthy sender reputation. Remember, engaging with an audience that doesn't interact with your content can harm your metrics and even lead to your emails being marked as spam. A couple of extra tips to keep in mind. Always review your segments before making any irreversible decisions. Sometimes a low engagement rate could be due to issues with email content, frequency, or timing rather than a lack of interest. Consider re-engagement campaigns for those on the edge of being archived. Sending a special offer or a "we miss you" email can sometimes reignite their interest in your brand. We've covered a lot today, from logging into your Mailchimp account, filtering and archiving less engaged subscribers. Remember, keeping your email list clean is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing and cleaning your audience ensures that your engagement rates remain high and that your content reaches those who value it most. Thank you for joining me in learning how to clean your Mailchimp audience effectively. Implementing these steps will not only enhance your email marketing efforts, but also ensure you maintain a healthy, engaged audience ready to interact with your content.